good, everyone? It's MJO23Dan back with another video, and today's video I have completed the one set. Yup, the one set. Two of the releases in the US. This is the clay green colorway, and this is the blue moon colorway. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I've been trying to complete this set, and two of the colorways were hard to reach in the United States. They've been sold overseas, and that is the yellow ochre and the track red Air Jordan 1s from the best hand in the game collection.
Oh yeah!
So I had a friend reach out to me via Instagram DM, and shout out to all of you guys that have been trying to help me complete this set. And he directed me toward a company called Lane Store. And Lane Store is located in Germany, and he actually knows one of the guys, well, maybe the owner, that works at Lane Store in Germany, and was able to hook me up for retail. So I thought that was pretty cool. This shop was kind of like off the grid. I know a lot of people have been going with other stores like in Europe, China, and all that, but this one, like, totally great, guys. Give them a follow if you guys are interested. Alright, so here we go. The shoes released internationally May 9, 2018. And I was invoiced that same day for retail, guys. Retail is so crazy. And they work pretty fast, and they're shipping. I thought I was going to be getting them on Monday. Today is May 11, it's a Friday. And I got this package shipped here in 2 days. Internationally, 2 days. That's just crazy. Alright, so without further ado, let's open the box. Alright, so we got a bag included here. Supa. Apologize if that's not how you pronounce it, but that's what I see. So here are the two shoes. So I haven't seen the box label yet. Let's go ahead and break one open. So this one is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Style number is 555088 and color code is 112. This is Summit White, Track Red, and Black. This is the other colorway. Style number is 555088 and color code is 109. Summit White and Yellow Ochre. Alright, so I think what I'll do is I'll just unbox them both at the same time so we don't waste any time here. These are the box labels. This one came with the yellow ochre. This one came with the track red. You'll notice the sticker on the yellow ochre. Ooh, there's the sticker on the track red. Wow. Okay, there's track red. And here's yellow ochre. Yo. Let me go ahead and take these out of the box. Alright, so initially I see track red and I'm kind of taken back. The colors are, wow, they pop pretty loudly. You guys can see like the colors there. Well, hopefully the camera will pick it up, but the sole is an entirely different color than it is on the suede here, and as well as the laces, so you can see like the difference in colors. Here we go with the yellow ochre. Just go ahead and show you guys up close. Jordan Brand did color match this pretty well. I would describe the yellow ochre more of a mustard colorway or mustard yellow colorway. The matchup is pretty close. The sole is still a little bit lighter than it is on the upper and the laces, so that's that. So just like the clay green and the blue moon colorway that released in the United States, you're gonna get a black toe up top, and then inching towards the back you get the hit of the color, the track red and the yellow ochre. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Were some of you guys trying to complete this set? I think the yellow ochre is going for a little bit more now, even though a lot of people had voiced that they liked the clay green. The track red probably going for about $315, $320 on StockX. The yellow ochre probably going close to about $350, $375-ish, I believe. Again, if you guys live in the United States, these pairs were, pretty tough to get because they were not included in the United States drop. The yellow ochre and the track red have the graphics of the playing deck on the left shoe. And on the right shoe of the yellow ochre, we have a royal flush, and that's supposed to represent Michael Jordan's 5 NBA MVPs. And on the track red, we have a 6 of a kind, and that represents Michael Jordan's 6 NBA championships. Okay, and so here it is. This is the entire set of the best hand in the game Air Jordan 1. You got the yellow ochre, the track red, the clay green, and the blue moon. Again, shout out to Lane Store out in Germany. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for all your support. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Again, were you trying to go for this whole set? What are some or any other colors that you guys are missing? Let me know down in the comment section below. Subscribe to me here on YouTube, and definitely follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I'm going to go ahead and leave you with some shots of the best hand in the game Air Jordan 1 set, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.